and Maya, taking the new Mayan train.
In Mexico, see the palm trees. I'm in Mexico.
Straight from Cancun, there you go. So this is new. That's nice. Have you got the right carriage, babe? Wow, this seat's pretty good. We all sat backwards there. These are supposed to be the premium seats. But they've literally ploughed the jungle to make this train track. It's really remote.
Say when a lot of people go when they are not agree.
Protest. A lot of protests.
Yes, for this, but the government
They went ahead and did it anyway.